Be free and fly.
Hi, my name is Asrar from SDM Lab, where I teach online business owners, entrepreneurs, content creators, and programmers who want to grow their business organically through online video. Okay, let's start now. Search 7-Zip in any browser. On the result page, open the 7-Zip website www.7zip.org. Check the operating system type and click the desired link button download to start downloading the setup file. Click on the button show all. Click on the file name when the file is downloading is finished. Click on the button yes on user access control windows when prompted. Click on the button install. Click on the button close. Now we will verify the 7-Zip installation. So, click on the vertical 3 dots on the right top corner in the Chrome browser. Click on the button open download folder. Right-click on any file or folder and you will see the 7-Zip menu is showing. There are several features available in the 7-Zip application depending on your requirements. Precautions: make a copy of your file or folder before any testing if you are a new user and not familiar with the application. I hope you enjoy the video. That's it for this video. If you have learned a new skill by watching this video, then subscribe to SDM Lab and hit the bell icon to turn on the notifications, so you will not skip my future videos. Thank you. Goodbye.